Next, the second test is to try to solder a thick 18 gauge wire with the help of additional flux. We have to preheat the iron for 20 to 30 seconds. While waiting, we can apply the flux. Next, we melt some solder to pre-tin the tip. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds, then solder. You can see the wire end is well tinned. Now, next we are going to solder the same 18 gauge wire without flux. After preheating and pre-tinning the tip, we wait for 2 to 3 seconds and we try soldering. You can see the solder does not really adhere to the solder point very well.